What are nodes? They're a type of generic class and are the backbone to many data structures. Nodes are a relatively abstract concept that is very important when it comes to learning about other data structures. Here is our node. And nodes are comprised of two parts. We have the data of the node, and then we have one or more pointers. These pointers are essentially variables of type node, which are essentially stored in the node object, and point to another node in memory. The beautiful thing about nodes is they essentially chain together to form structures. You start with one node with data and it points to another, which points to a different one, and so on and so forth. One thing to note is that the node class will vary ever so slightly depending on what kind of data structure it is being used to represent. The idea of a node is just the umbrella term used for objects like this. Nodes will vary mostly by the number of pointers there are and what they represent, and as a result, different types of nodes will be able to form different types of structures. We could have a similar example as before, where we have each node pointing to the next node, but we can also have those same nodes keep track of the previous nodes with another pointer. Or we can have a set of nodes that have a left and a right pointer, which essentially forms a type of tree. And so even though these two examples both utilize nodes, the way in which these nodes store their pointers can change what kind of structure it's meant to represent. The main takeaway should be that nodes are a general term for an object that stores data and has pointers. And it is these pointers which allow for data structures to form and to actually be effective and useful. And that's all you need to know to understand the basics of nodes. If you enjoyed it, feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.